The king of fruits, pineapple. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the amazing health benefits of the delicious pineapple. You might picture a tropical vacation or a refreshing cocktail, but this fruit is much more than just a sweet treat. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that benefit your health. Get ready to uncover 7 incredible ways pineapple can boost your health. We all want a strong immune system, right? Well, pineapple is here to help. This tropical fruit is loaded with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in supporting a healthy immune system. Vitamin C helps to boost the production of white blood cells, which are your body's first line of defense against infections and illnesses. So by enjoying pineapple regularly, you can give your immune system a delicious boost and help your body fight off those pesky germs. Ever heard of bromelain? It's a powerful enzyme in pineapples that aids digestion. Bromelain breaks down protein, easing nutrient absorption. It also reduces inflammation, helping with issues like IBS. For natural digestive support, pineapple is a fantastic choice. Inflammation is a natural process that helps your body heal and fight off infections. But chronic inflammation can be detrimental to your health and contribute to various chronic diseases. Here's where pineapple comes in again. Bromelain, the superhero enzyme, not only aids digestion, but also possesses potent anti-inflammatory properties. By reducing inflammation throughout the body, bromelain can help to alleviate pain, reduce swelling, and improve overall health and well-being. Chapter 4. Trying to shed a few pounds? Pineapple can be your new best friend. This tropical fruit is surprisingly low in calories, making it a guilt-free snack or addition to your meals. But that's not all. Pineapple is also an excellent source of fiber, which helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied after eating. This can help to curb cravings and prevent overeating. So, if you're looking for a delicious and nutritious way to support your weight loss goals, pineapple is a great option. Chapter 5. Get that pineapple glow. Want radiant, healthy skin? Look no further than pineapple. This tropical treasure is packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, which are essential for maintaining healthy skin. Vitamin C plays a vital role in collagen production. Collagen is a protein that gives your skin its strength and elasticity, helping to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. The antioxidants in pineapple help to protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals, which can accelerate aging and contribute to skin problems. Chapter 6. Strong bones, happy life. Strong bones are crucial for overall health and mobility, and pineapple can lend a helping hand. This tropical fruit contains a mineral called manganese, which is essential for maintaining bone density and strength. Manganese works in conjunction with other bone-building nutrients like calcium and vitamin D to support healthy bone development and prevent age-related bone loss. So by incorporating pineapple into your diet, you can contribute to strong, healthy bones and maintain your mobility for years to come. Chapter 7. See clearly with pineapple power. Pineapple benefits your eye health. It's true, this tropical fruit is rich in antioxidants and vitamin A, crucial for good vision and preventing eye diseases. Antioxidants protect your eyes from oxidative damage, while vitamin A maintains cornea health and vision in low light. Unleash the power of pineapple. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips. See you next time. From boosting your immune system to promoting healthy skin and supporting weight loss, pineapples benefit your overall health. So next time you're at the store, pick up a juicy pineapple and experience its incredible power.